Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I've got something special for you, the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Smart Glasses. If you're into timeless style and cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any videos. These glasses come in the stylish glossy black color, giving them a modern and sophisticated vibe. The first thing I notice is the build quality, sturdy and well crafted, just what you expect from Ray-Ban. The frame has a nice weight to it, not too heavy but substantial enough to feel durable. Now, what sets the Meta Wayfarers apart is the incorporation of high-end technology. These are not your ordinary blue light glasses. They feature built-in speakers, touch controls, and even voice assistants. Imagine having your favorite tunes playing directly from your glasses and still being able to hear what's happening around you, meaning you can easily wear these while riding a bike, for example, listening to music and still be aware of traffic. The Ray-Ban Wayfarers provide up to 4 hours of battery life plus a sleek portable charging case which provides up to 8 more charges on the go, which means you can focus on your day without interruption. The slim case fits in your back pocket or bag, while smart charging preserves and extends your battery life. The pairing process was seamless, the sound quality is surprisingly good for glasses, the speakers deliver clear and crisp audio, and they're not too loud so that you can enjoy your music without disturbing others around you. The touch controls on the side make it easy to adjust the volume or skip tracks. Comfort is crucial when it comes to wearing glasses, and I must say, these Meta Wayfarers feel great on. Plus, they have the classic Wayfarer shape that never goes out of style. Wrapping up this unboxing and review, the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer glasses are a perfect blend of style and technology. Whether you are a tech or fashion enthusiast, these smart glasses offer a unique and enjoyable experience. From taking pictures or videos, even to streaming live videos straight from the glasses to your social media. If you're interested in getting a pair yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific product you'd like me to review next. Until next time.